Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the cookbook from Russell Brunson for ClickFunnels, guys. Now, before I get into this video, what I'm going to need you guys to do is to make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get notified every time I do a new video like this or a new tutorial video. So there is a little bell that you can click on and you'll get notified every time I do a new video. But today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about Russell Brunson's cookbook, which is a funnel hacker cookbook for ClickFunnels. Now this cookbook, it's called the Funnel Hacker Cookbook, and it's basically a book guide for you to help you actually build funnels. Okay, so this is more like the recipes that he's telling you to build your funnels. So he's telling you all the ingredients that you need, from the elements, pages, what you need to put in there, if you're going to put a video in there. So this is the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of this, but I do have the hard copy. But you can actually get your copy for free, guys. You can have this shipped to you for free. And so we are on this page here, and this is a quick video that Russell Brunson does to kind of explain what the Funnel Hacker Cookbook is, and he goes into more detail inside of this video and actually explains to you what the Funnel Hacker Cookbook is. As you can see, he has ingredients for different things, so he's kind of giving you an example and basically going over how the Funnel Hacker Cookbook looks. But this is just a little sneak peek inside of it. It shows you how to set up a pre-sales page, and it tells you things that you can put in there, like a header. This is for video. This is for if you're doing like, I believe it's paragraph. This is text, and this is some other stuff. But let me just show you really quickly what's inside of the cookbook. So this is basically, let's go here. This is basically an outline. This is what he calls a page recipe. So you have like elements, you have rows, and you have sections. So inside of the cookbook, guys, it gives you an outline. So say you wanted to create this page. This is what this page is made of. It's made of the elements. You got the sections here in the blue, and then you got the rows in the green, and he kind of just goes in and explains everything inside of the video. Actually, the rows are blue and the sections are green, and the elements are the orange. So that's, the elements are like right here, what you see, like the text, logos, okay, videos, more text here, and then the rows will just give you like the sections to section it off. You know what I mean? The rows will just give you like a row here to put that in. The green is the section, so you can section it off. Okay, so this is a really cool book. I actually love it because I'm building funnels out, and this helps me. I can put this right by my desk while I'm sitting here building out funnels, and it tells me everything I need to build out my funnels step by step, guys. So there is a link right in the description of this video where you can actually go ahead and get your free copy of the Funnels Hackers Cookbook. Okay, there's a link in the description below where you can go ahead and order yours today, and they'll actually ship it to you. So what all you have to do is fill out the information here to get your Funnel Hackers Cookbook, and they'll send it right to you. So you just need name, email, phone number, all the usual stuff, and they'll ship it out to you. It does take a couple of days, depending on where you are. I got mine in about 5 to 7 business days from the time that I filled out my information and had the book sent to me. Alright guys, so just wanted to share this with you because this is great to have. I'll also put my link in the description below. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, guys, you can actually start your 2-week free trial today, and you'll also be able to get some bonuses once you do sign up under my link and get your free trial today as well, guys. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.